It's finally fall season here, starting yesterday in northern hemisphere. So we're just going to continue our bicycle ride, and that is bicycle trail. That's my bike there. But I'm just an awe of this beautiful color of the trees. That is raspberry bush. And look at that beauty, going to the water. See how beautiful it is here. It's really relaxing. In fact, this water, it comes from the falls above there where they're fixing that bridge, and came from a fresh water. So anyhow, it's getting dark here. It's after 7 p.m. and that's my buddy there. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, see you later guys. Bye.